Hey guys, a very good evening, guys. This is the 31st question of the in continuation with my third set of question series. So you can't read question number, but it is something cutted. So you can just go through the questions. So as provided by as per the procedure, like I will be providing 15 questions for today also. So you will be getting most probably your answers on Saturday or Sunday. Okay, so 32nd question is on your screen. You guys, I am just providing 4 to 5 seconds on every question. If you and you can pause the video and then take it on the questions and then try to solve it by yourself. Question number 33rd. Okay, so it's question number 34. Question number 35. Question number 36 will be in segregated form. So as usual, first part in first few seconds, then second part in another few seconds. Okay, so is the another part. Okay, 38th question. So 39th question is on your screen, guys. Okay. 40th question. For the first question. For the second question. For the third question, guys, we are going to the last set of questions of today's video. Okay, so here comes the last question, again in segregated form. Okay, so is the last option. So guys, that's all about today's video. If you have any queries, suggestions, doubts, or any sort of feedback, please feel free to reach me and provide your inputs in the message box. I will definitely address your comments and provide the solutions to your doubts. Till then, guys, take care. Bye bye.